And you just experiment.
With myself?
Yes. Just
Okay, leave. Hi everyone, I'm Heather Rose, and for the past year and a half I've been working for a company that specializes in COVID-19 disinfection and prevention. Throughout my journey I've witnessed and been a part of some incredibly interesting experiments, working with different equipment, 3D printers and way more. We've put a creative team together who've been conducting a series of experiments which we've been recording, and we would like to share our journey with you, showcasing these experiments, our findings, and giving you an inside view in an experimentalist office. Every Thursday we're going to be uploading videos here on YouTube and to our other social media platforms, so if you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our weekly uploads. If you have any experiments that you would like us to try, please leave a comment down below and we will see you next Thursday.